All right, guys, welcome to London. Checking out this location here. It's called Sketch. Nicole found it. Beautiful restaurant in the heart of London. So let's go inside and check it out. All right, the menu. Check this out. So that's the traditional side and then the open mind side. We're at a couple cocktails, the BFF and a special one called the Elay. All right, they got some gluten-free bread and it looks amazing. All right, so these are sand-grown carrots, pickled vegetables, and a balsamic drizzle. This looks awesome. All right, the chicken dish with popcorn.
Thank you.
I disturbed you, sorry.
That's okay. No.
Thank you. And then I went with the pork chop. It's beautiful. And of course, the fries with a sketchup. All right, we're getting through the meal. It's amazing. The pork is really nice. It's not gluten-free because of the sauce, but the fennel was really good and a very spicy like potato cake. And Nicole's is done. She ate that thing fast. And we got some whiskey-based drinks. Going down smooth, and this place is epic. All right, the Eton Mess. It's a meringue with some berries. It looks amazing.
You see the napkin?
All right, guys, dinner was fantastic at this place. We're just headed out now to get our little Uber out of here. Loved everything about it. Definitely recommend coming here. A lot of little like bars everywhere. It's super cool. All right, from London, laters.